finally time to get LASIK. LASIK Plus is...
The National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Salt Lake County in northern Utah, central Davis County in northern Utah, northeastern Tuella County in northern Utah, until 7:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 6:49 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northwest of Magna, Oregon, 11 miles northwest of West Valley City, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Salt Lake City, Layton, Bountiful, Farmington, Clearfield, Kaysville, Syracuse, North Salt Lake, Centerville, Wheats Cross, West Bountiful, Salt Lake City International Airport, Fruit Heights, and Antelope Island State Park. This includes the following highways: Interstate 15 between mile markers 312 and 333. Interstate 80 in Utah between mile markers 102 and 113. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in Utah: Davis, Salt Lake, and Tuella.